Hey. Still there. Oh no. Click. No, no, look at that. I've intercepted it. Boom. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. That's what we want. Haha. Nice. Brilliant. Okay. What have we got? High back button handler. Fun times. Meh. Yeah. Yeah. Implement it. Implement interface. Public override on back pressed. So main activity. Main activity. Keck. In there. As what is this? Reactive content page. That. Back button handling page. Do this app. Alert. Display alert. Back pressed. Okay. Okay. Well, that might work. Let's have a look. Come on. Does nothing. Does nothing. Does that work? Okay, so that does work. Right. Hey. What is this? There you go. Now it works. Back. Oh. Is it? It is. It is a handler. It managed to get it. That's amazing. Back pressed. Yes. Okay, that is cool, isn't it? Intercept it. So. Oh, I feel powerful now. That's some good stuff. Right. Me. Okay. Cool. That's async as well. Right. So. Would you like to discard this post? Okay. Cancel. Prompts. Display action sheet. That's better. Title, cancel, destruction. Doesn't match, does it? This is very different from the stuff I just copy and pasted off the internet. Task. That is now asyncy. Main activity will need to await that now. Async. Does that work? Oh no. That work? Wait. If back button handler it's null on back pressed return. Await. Jeez. That's really nasty. Let's go. Back. Would you like to discard this post? Nice. No. It's cancelled. No. No. Yes. Boom. So there's 3 back buttons. I've solved the hardware back button down here. I've solved my handmade X up here. See? Solve this one. It's this guy, which is the third one, which I'm trying to either make go away or intercept. And that is part of Xamarin Forms Shell command. Yeah, I've tried. It doesn't work. Just tried it. It doesn't do anything. Sorry, mate. I have just tried and it does not. Let's see if this does anything. No, no, no. Let's just do this in the constructor. See if this does anything, shall we? Click. No, no, look at that. I've intercepted it. Boom. Papa needs a new pair of shoes. That's what we want. Haha. And we can copy this rubbish. But instead of on back, we do dot pop async. Very nice. Very nice. Do that. I wonder. Watch this. Async. Wait. Wait. If this works, I'm going to be extremely happy. Because then we've got a generic non-insane way of catching them. No, okay, fine. We will just bring this back to the post list summary page. Let's do this. Ho ho! Brilliant. No. Oh, he's on fire.